Hello everyone, let's start with the other respiratory disorder, that is the asthma and lungs cancer. Here is the asthma. Asthma is basically a form of allergy. There is an inflammation of the bronchioles or bronchi that leads to the more mucus production and narrowing of the tubules. In asthma patients, bronchioles become sensitive to different allergens. Causative agent maybe some pollen grains, perfume, dust allergy, because allergy causative factors may be these some. Whenever a patient exposed to such allergen, the sensitive airways show immediate response and leads to the constrictions of airways or the inflammation of bronchioles. Patient feel difficulty in breathing. Symptom shortness of breath main at the time of night. Wheezing, breathing with the whistling sound. Cough and chest tightness is a main symptom. Here is a normal bronchus where there is a wide hollow. Whenever a allergen infect, it leads to the constriction of the bronchioles and filled with the mucus. The next is the lungs cancer. Lung cancer is a disease of uncontrolled cell division in the tissue of the lungs. Cancer basically means uncontrolled division of the cell. It may be from the mutation in the cell or some other reasons. But lungs cancer, the same terminology leads to the uncontrolled cell division within the tissues of the lungs. Cell continue to divide and form a tumor. Symptoms include shortness of breath, cough. The difference is a coughing with the blood. Weight loss. Main cause of any cancer include carcinogens. Carcinogens, cancer causing agents, and viral infection. Smoking is a main cause of a lung cancer. Cigarette mainly contain carcinogenic compounds. The risk of lung cancer is significantly lower in non-smoker. Cigarette smokes contain over 50 known carcinogenic. Passive smoking is also a cause of lung cancer. What is passive smoking? Passive smoking is basically a breathing in a smoke of some other person's cigarette smoke. This smoke from the burning end of a cigarette is more dangerous than the smoke from the filter end. Here is a diagram with the cancerous mass. Here is a small division of a cell that leads to the cancerous mass, because cancer basically means division of uncontrolled cell. Here is an uncontrolled division of cell leads to the cancerous lungs. That's all from the disorder of a lung. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel at redesir.click.